Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you an incredible method to get unlimited diamonds, coins, and basically everything you need in Last War survival. I've been using this method for a while now, and it works like a charm. I'm really excited to share it with you all. Let's not waste any time. I'll open up the game right now so you can see that it really works. As you can see, I have an unlimited amount of resources, diamonds, coins, and more. It's amazing how much this changes the game and makes it so much more enjoyable. What's even better is that this method has been recently updated to ensure it works on both iOS and Android devices. No matter what kind of device you're using, you'll be able to take advantage of this trick. And the best part? It's incredibly easy and straightforward. Here's how it works. All you need to do is watch this video and follow the steps I'm about to show you. I've broken everything down into simple, easy-to-follow instructions so you won't miss a thing. So, if you're ready, let's get started with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. RocketMods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Last War and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.